Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk a little bit about stainless steel exhaust tubing. I've got two examples here that I want to share with you and kind of show you some of the characteristics and the differences between the two. So let's see what we got. All right, so here's the first example. This pipe right here that's been made up of Mandrel bent 2¼ inch stainless steel exhaust tubing. Now this is the 409 stainless steel exhaust tubing. You'll find it in a lot of your header kits and your performance exhaust kits that you'll buy that are made up ready to go. It is a very durable stainless steel. The 409 won't be as shiny as the regular stainless steel. You'll have to do some polishing and stuff on it. You can see it shines up pretty good. And this has just been, the welds have been addressed and stuff on this one. This particular pipe, the two pipes coming off the exhaust manifold on the 32 are going to get heat wrapped, so they're not going to get polished. But it's the welds have been ground down and dressed a little bit so that when you do decide, if I do decide to polish it later, it'll be easy to do that. Now on the 409 exhaust tubing, this is a magnet. You can see that it is got enough carbon in it to be magnetized. That's part of the characteristics of the 409 tubing. It's also capable of handling the heat just a little bit better. So it's on the hottest part of the exhaust. There is a stainless steel muffler that we'll put on the clamps here that'll be in between this exhaust tubing and the 304. Now, here's the 304 exhaust tubing. As you can see, the same magnet. It is not. It is a true stainless pipe. It's not as thick as the 409 pipe. The 409 pipe is like a 16 gauge. The 304 pipe polishes up really nice. A lot of the kits that you'll buy that's got the 304 in it will already be polished. And there's a little close-up. 304 right here, 409. So you can do all of your exhausts in the 304 or all of your exhausts in the 409, whichever you have it. This kit right here, I think I picked this one up off eBay. It's enough to do one car. It's going to run you about $250, free shipping. And this kit right here on the 409, it's enough to do a muscle car, Camaro, truck. It comes with a lot of pieces, and it's got a crossover tube that you can put in with it as well. This is what it looks like. It comes, in a couple of J's, L's, and U's, and some straight pipe. And then you'll cut and bend it like I did this here to get around whatever obstacles your chassis is gonna have. Mine had a 4-speed in it, 32 Ford on one side. It had the linkage. The other side it had, different things that was coming out of the 4-speed and stuff that you had to go around. So the two pipes don't look the same. But what we're going to do now is we're going to get this this lava rock, crushed lava rock that has been spun into a fabric that will wrap around the pipes. I got it soaking in some water to make it more pliable, and also when it dries, it'll dry harder. See how it's wrapped wet. And this right here, I believe, is good up to around 2,800 degrees. So it should make it a whole lot more comfortable in the car once these two parts are wrapped. And on the back side of the exhaust, after the muffler, it'll be the 304, and it'll be polished. So give it the detail. So let me get this stuff started wrapping, and we'll check back in with you here in a minute. All right, here we go, all wrapped up. Because it was a little boring and the fact that I could not do this and hold the camera, I'm going to show you what it looks like afterwards. Now, keep in mind, this is a LV or LR. Some companies call it different. It's crushed lava rock that they spin up into a fabric, not to be confused with the fiberglass version. Now, the fiberglass version smokes a lot. It changes colors. It does not insulate the way the lava rock does. I think the fiberglass is probably good for around 1,000, 1,500 degrees, where the lava rock is like 2,500, 2,800. Now, the lava rock stuff is quite a bit more. I'll try to do that, put a link in thing. I've never done that before. But I got this off of Amazon. It had good reviews. And I want to say it was around $15 for a 50-foot roll. And this is what a 50-foot roll will get you. It runs about 8 to 10 feet of material per foot. I had enough to go back and double over just a little bit. But this right here is 50 feet of material, and it's about 5-foot long tube. So anyway, I'll try to give you a little bit more detail on putting the other one on. It does make the pipe a little bulky, and I hope I still have all the clearances that I had before. But this should keep the heat down quite a bit inside the car. But there we go. There's a little stainless steel bracket. And if I can find the link, put those on too. Just gives it that much more detail. But anyway, I'll get the other side wrapped. May take a video of me wrapping it, but we'll let you look at it when we get done. Thanks a lot.